Dalụlinne na ụmụ Chineke ka unu si na-esoro anyị ya na-eme n'iru akwụkwọ a na Eastern News 24 ka efi nwere ike ikwu gbasata maka ya bụ ife ka o si aga. Dịka esi kwuo nkwa anyị siri na gide enyu na update ọbụla bụ gbasata maka ife na-eme n'iru akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị nke tata bụ 15th of December nke bụ nke a na-akpọ final judgment of onye ndu MAZI NNAMDI KANU n'ụlọ nke ọkaikpe a na-akpọ Supreme Court, the highest court in Nigeria. Dịka o si dị, anyị kwuru nkwa na anyị ga-ewetara n'update, mana chọrọ m ka mmanwụ n'elu mmanwụ gee na ya bụ ife. Drọpụrụ anyị kọmentị gị, chetakwa na ya bụ BBC Igbo ka anyị si wetara n'ozi ya dị oke mkpa na Eastern News 24. Alright, over to you.
And then Nnamdi Kanu, and I know say Nnamdi Kanu matter don dey for court since 2021. It start from the Federal High Court, from there to the Appeal Court, then from there it come land for the Supreme Court. And I want just give a summary of wetin happen for court so far. Well, the people body for here, body no sweet them. Everybody just dey sad. They just dey vex. They waka comot. They talk about the supporters of Nnamdi Kanu. We come court today with plenty expectations. Say judgment go in their favor, but unfortunately, it no go in their favor. Sake of say the Supreme Court talk say Nnamdi Kanu will continue to face trial. Make I just give some of the things where the panel of judges agree on, where them read for court today. And I remember say before this matter come the Supreme Court, it be done land for the Court of Appeal, where the panel of judges for Court of Appeal been talk say sake of the way where them take bring Nnamdi Kanu come Nigeria, and where them describe as abduction, kidnapping, where no follow and the normal legal process where then they carry and bring people from abroad where they allege say commit crime. Sake of the way where them bring them, say court no even get any basis to hear the matter, and Nnamdi Kanu not even supposed to stand trial. And I remember say the Appeal Court talk say make Nnamdi Kanu no stand trial at all. But the Supreme Court can't talk say Nnamdi Kanu trial go continue. And then talk say even though they agree with waiting the Court of Appeal talk, the Supreme Court agree say the process where they take carry Nnamdi Kanu come Nigeria no dey normal. Say if they liking to kidnap and abduction with, and it no dey okay. This one are the extrajudicial procedure where they no follow well. So the court talk say they agree with wetin Supreme Court talk, sake of say the way where they bring Nnamdi Kanu come Nigeria they illegal. They no follow the right procedure. But again they talk say that one where the judges for the Appeal Court talk na international law, na be that, and they no cite any legislation for Nigeria where talk say person where they allege say commit crime, say the way where they take bring them in matter whether the person go stand trial or not. Supreme Court say yes, so they agree say the way where they take bring Nnamdi Kanu come Nigeria na they illegal, na illegality. But even though the process where they take bring them they illegal, that one no means say in no go face a trial. The Supreme Court say as far as Nigeria they consign, the Appeal Court no cite any legislation where talk say make person where they arrest illegally no stand trial. They talk say as far as the Nigeria position for law they consigned, anybody where they suspect or we get reasonable thing wey him do wey be say they suspect them as criminal or as crime, whether them go kidnap am for house or whether them bring down in house, the person go still face trial. But then talk say make Nigeria also on their part try to follow the rule of law. Say this thing where they do Nnamdi Kanu, the way they take bring and come Nigeria, make them no do am again. say the thing no good well, you no follow law, you no follow procedure. But even as they don't talk that one, the trial go still continue from the Federal High Court where they stop. So the summary of the matter be say Nnamdi Kanu trial will continue, and the legal team of Nnamdi Kanu, where Kanu Agabi SAN they lead, beg court say I beg, and they no get wetin they go do again, but then they beg court say make the trial process happen sharp, make them speed up the process. Say it don't take when Nnamdi Kanu dey detention with all this back and forth where then they go all this way. So as court don't talk say make the trial continue, then they beg them make the case happen sharp. So the summary of the matter be say they allow the appeal and dismiss the cross appeal. And I remember say the appeal and cross appeal matter now when the appeal court say make them no try Nnamdi Kanu again, now federal government can go appeal to the Supreme Court. So country people, now so the matter be court say the way they take bring Nnamdi Kanu no make sense, it no follow legal process. Yes, they no do well, but that one no mean say the trial will stop because of the way they take arrest and bring and come to Nigeria. They also thought say that one na international law, but for Nigerian law never mature to that stage where we say and the way they take arrest person go stop the trial of the person whether he commit crime or not. So country people, now the long and short of the matter be this: Nnamdi Kanu trial will continue. And we get plenty to read for our Facebook page, our Instagram page, our different social media handle. The full story of what happened for court today, they there. We just to say make we explain to country people as it take happen for court today. This is BBC Pidgin. We thank you so day with us. Make you continue to follow us for our website and all our social media platforms. As I talked before, people body they hot for here. The environment just they calm, we they sad, they no happy because they expect say Nnamdi Kanu go free today, but still no go their way. So country people, now here we go match break for this live video. We thank you also now day with us. We hope you now understand everything we happen for today. Country people, now here we go match break. On a bye for now.
We have a whole lot of non-lawyers here who came to court today to show or to demonstrate solidarity with MAZI NNAMDI KANU, a distinguished senator representing his senatorial constituency. But you see, the ruling today was in part disappointing and in part satisfactory. A lot of people might say it's a bit ambiguous, so I'm going to speak very briefly so that I do not preempt what is going to come out of the registry of the court. We are going to promptly apply for certified true copies of what the justice stated in court today. But some things that he made clear were as follows: that number one, MAZI NNAMDI KANU was enjoying his bail when his house was invaded, and that was wrong. If you recall, we had obtained a judgment in 2022 at the High Court in Abia State, awarding him 1 billion. So this indirectly affirms that judgment. And that the manner of bringing him into Nigeria was also wrong. But despite all of that, the Supreme Court found cause to send this case back to the Federal High Court. And sending it back to the Federal High Court is actually called remission. And when they remit with instructions. We don't know yet what those instructions are because we don't have certified true copies of the judgment and the judgment order. So in days to come, that will be available and will be made available to the press.
Okay, please, when the judge said yes, appeal and cross appeal, what does it mean?
Well, the government appealed against the discharge granted by the Court of Appeal, and we cross appealed. okay, against the stay of execution granted by the Court of Appeal. So these were the issues. But what came out was that the revocation of his bail was wrong. So this, in fact, has created a basis to further seek his release, through some other means.
So the judge is saying that the trial should continue. What does it mean for your team now?
Well, basically, it's going to continue, or it's going to proceed in accordance with the instructions the Supreme Court has issued. And those instructions will be clearer when we get them in writing. So the judge or the Federal High Court judge will have to be restricted within those. It's called a remission. So they have to carry out, the Federal High Court has to carry out the strict instructions of the Supreme Court.
Okay, thank you very much.
That's it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, my wonderful viewers, for watching this video together with me from the beginning to the end. Like I said before, if you like what you see here, if you like what I do in this platform, as you have finished watching
dalole nenu ndị be anyị korusi wene soila ini ya na-eme obidi ya isa anwụle obidikwa isọpụlina dịka anyị sikwa unu nkwa na anyị ga-adrọpụrụ na ya bụ update ka ya bụ ife si aga ọ bụ na join bụkwa i join by membership kabara ka i join ya ka ị na-ewetakwa nnukwu update dị iche na ya na-emekasị n'iru akwụkwọ ọ dị oke mkpa ya bụ ife bụ ka efi nwere ike nke ka obi dị gị n'ụbọchị nke taa gbasara maka ya bụ ikpe ekpelu nke ka obi dị gị kabara ka drọpụrụ ya on the comment section below na Eastern News 24. Alright, daalụ ndị nne na ndị be anyị ngwanụ ka emesịa n'ụmụ Igbo.